Good morning, Rob Evans, FTE, Free Trauma Energy, and dropping in to let you know the latest update of where I am with any of my challenges. And it's kind of been stifled for a while, but there we go, it's happening now. So I'm excited to say that yes, it's going ahead, and the plan is to ride from Porto, north of Portugal, down to Lisbon in 2 days. 365k roughly, and the reason I've done 365k is that if you take action for 1 day a year, it will make a change. And the whole point of saying it's going to take 365 is a year, that we shouldn't expect changes to happen overnight. It does take commitment, it does take dedication to keep showing up for yourself and to keep trying. And it's not going to be easy, it's going to be hard, there's going to be struggles, there's going to be things thrown at you all throughout that year. But in a year's time, you'll look back and thinking, wow, what a difference. So this is the whole point of doing the cycle, is to raise awareness of PTSD and mental health, but more importantly is to raise money for funds for charity. And these two charities this time are, sadly we couldn't do it for the Bomberos North and Central for various reasons, but that will come in the future. But this year it's for Servon, which is international rescue back in the UK. And that's an ex-colleague of mine, fire service, but this is all down to volunteers, ex-military, ex-services, you name it. People come together to go to international disasters, and recently went to Turkey earthquakes. So I'm delighted to be helping these guys and girls, just fantastic. And secondly, with the doTERRA Healing Hands Action Club, which this year they have lots of different causes they're trying to raise money for. But this one is for raising money for incubators in Syria, for much needed, or for the children and babies there, because they can't get through for whatever the political reasons. So they're raising money for incubators so they can stand alone and look after themselves. So I will put both links on the end of this so that you can donate if you wish to. I know people have donated before and times are hard with money. But if everybody, all of my friends that I know, collectively put just €1 or £1 in, it would make a huge difference. The challenge will be on the 3rd and 4th of May. It's going to be a toughie. It's going to be, we've changed the route slightly so there's less hills. Thank goodness. I was even toying with doing it over a 24-hour period and just going for it on my own. But talked out of it very wisely, because the roads aren't fantastic and cycling at night is probably pretty dangerous. So yeah, it's much easier to do it with other people. It's not about me, it's about a team effort. Free Trauma Energy is about taking exercise and moving our trauma out of our systems, re-engaging our vagal nerve, and somatic exercises helps this way. Okay, you don't have to go to the extremes of cycling, but this is what I've chosen to do. And I'm also doing it to prove and inspire to people that you can make a difference and change. I hope this helps. Like I say, the two fantastic causes. I'm privileged and honoured to be part of the Action Club. They've invited me to be part of that, and yeah, I'm happy to help these guys, and I'm over the moon that I'm being helped and supported by Servon. So yeah, things happen. You get knockbacks, but you've got to keep moving forward and keep being positive. So 365 kilometres we're going to do it in 2 days, but daylight hours. Let's hope we can do it. Hope you follow us on the challenge. The donations, like I say, will be on the links. They'll be there, and let's see what we can raise. And all your money and all your efforts go a long way. We all need support. Everybody needs support. There's times when everybody can feel vulnerable, and none of us know. So disasters like the earthquakes, tsunamis, you name it, they come out of nowhere and nobody knows. So having people there to support and help and assist us just is a lifeline. So yeah, Rob Evans, FTE, Free Trauma Energy, going to make it happen. So 3rd and 4th of May, Porto to Lisbon, 365k. Let's do this. Let's make it happen. Ciao for now.